All right, this is Bill Sullivan's Polka, and this is for Damien and for anyone else, of course, who wants to learn it. So we're starting on a D. So before we do that, dum bum ba deedle die, deedum ba deedle die dum bum the deedle die dum the dee dum the deedle die deedle the I dum the deedle die dum the dee bum ba da bum ba bum da da dum ba dum dee idle dum dee idle dum dee diddly idle dum dee diddly dum diddly idle dum diddle diddle dum. So there we go. So, now I threw a couple of extra things in there where if I played a phrase in the B part, the next time through I might have gone. So instead of two notes, which have a note in the middle, I'm playing all three. So hope that doesn't confuse things. Have fun with it. It's a great tune.